Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be starting out with the Hourglass foundation stick for this Valentine's Day tutorial. I'm just going to draw a couple of lines on my face on each side, and this is going to give me the coverage that I'm looking for. This foundation looks super natural and really pretty on the skin, so this is perfect for a date night. Next I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Naked foundation and my Eco Tool sponge and just use a little bit of this to blend everything together. This also has a really natural finish and looks very, very pretty on the skin. I love this combination of the two together. I just think it gives you the perfect amount of coverage with just a beautiful, flawless finish. So this is perfect for any kind of date night where you just want to look like you're put together and natural, but you want coverage. Next, I'm going to go in with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer and just pop this under my eyes as usual. This is going to cover up all my bags, and I'm going to go down the center of the nose, on the cupid's bow, on the chin, and right on the forehead just to bring some light to my face a little bit. And I'm going to blend all of that in using my Eco Tool sponge. Once again, I've been really loving this sponge. Next, I'm going to go in with my RCMA No Color Powder and set underneath of my eyes so that that concealer doesn't crease or move throughout the night or day, wherever you're going. This is a really nice light powder, and I feel like this does not look heavy on the skin. This sets makeup really nicely. It doesn't flash back. This is perfect for any skin type. And I also set the rest of my face with this just to make sure that nothing moves, and so that our bronzer and other powders and things like that blend really nicely on top. So I'm just going to continue setting my face until I feel like I'm nicely powdered. Next, I'm going to go in with my Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. Start with the bronzer on my Morphe R2 brush and just bronze up my cheekbones, my temples, my forehead, the usual places where I want to be a little bronzed, a little contoured. And then I'm going to go in with that blush in the palette. This is a little bit shimmery, so I feel like it gives you a nice happy glow to your cheeks. And I start on the apples of my cheeks and I work it back toward my temples, and this just gives me a nice lifted, happy looking effect, and I love that. I love this palette so much. And then I especially love this part, the highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my cheekbones. Girl, that is blinding. That is beautiful. Oh yeah. And I just keep on piling that on until I feel like I can blind my date on Valentine's Day. Put a little on my cupid's bow, because you gotta show Cupid some love on Valentine's Day. Down the bridge of the nose, and a little bit on the forehead just to look a little bit glossier than usual, because why not? It's Valentine's Day. Next, I'm going to do my brows. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Chocolate. I've been really liking the shade. It's a little warmer than my dark brown that I was using before. And I'm going to go ahead and just fill in my brows using this. Nothing out of the ordinary here. This is what I do every day. And you can see there's a big difference between one brow and the other. And then I go ahead and clean up my brows with my NARS Complete Concealer. This is my favorite concealer to clean up the brows with. It's also beautiful under the eyes. And then I set everything down with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. My favorite brow gel of all time. My brows don't move ever. And then I'm going to go in with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot, my favorite eye base of all time. I use this every single time I do my eyeshadow, and it never fails me. It never creases, never moves. So this is my holy grail. I use this every single day for every single eye look, no matter what. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to go in first with the shade. This is the shade Tempera. And this is just a bone colored shade to set down that eye primer. It helps the other colors blend more easily. Next, I'm going to go in with Bone Fresco, and this is a really nice light mauve shade, and I'm going to use this as my transition color just to start off in the crease. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Antique Bronze, and I'm going to put this toward my outer corner a little bit lower than that first Bone Fresco shade in the crease, and blend that just on the outer edges to deepen things up a little bit. And next I'm going to go in with the shade Venetian Red and do the same thing, just deepen things up a little bit, make it a little pinker, a little warmer, a little more Valentine's-y, and keeping that again low and on the outer edge. And I'm using a nice little packing brush that's a little bit fluffy, and then just to deepen things up a little bit further, I'm going to go in with Red Ochre and just deepen things up, make it a little more red on the outer edges. And finally, I'm going to go in with Cypress Umber, and this is a dark brown shade, and just deepen up that outer corner even more, as much as I possibly can, to make it nice and chocolate covered strawberry-esque. And then I'm going to go back into Bone Fresco and blend everything together so there's no harsh lines, no harsh edges, and everything looks nice and seamless and smooth and transition together like a nice gradient. And after that, I'm going to go in with my Stila Magnificent Metal. This is in the color Smoky Storm. This is my absolute favorite. And I'm going to cut the crease with this. This just adds the perfect shimmer to the look. I absolutely love these. These are so easy to work with. They're so beautiful, so sparkly. They're perfect for any occasion you want. And for Valentine's Day, I feel like you need a little bit of extra sparkle with your pink eyeshadow. And then next, I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D liner in Trooper. This is my favorite black liner of all time, and I'm just going to wing it out right on the edges of that eyeshadow to give myself a nice cat eye effect. Because who doesn't want a cat eye for Valentine's Day? And then I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacobs Highliner in Blacquer, and I'm going to tight line, and I'm going to line my bottom waterline as well to make things nice and deep and dark and rich. Then I'm going to go back into my palette and use Antique Bronze again, just along the lower lash line to connect to the outer corner and make everything look nice and cohesive. Then I'm going to put my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. This is my current favorite mascara, and just gonna coat my lashes once or twice with this. Then I'm gonna pop on my 810 Ardell Faux Mink lashes and highlight my inner corner with the shade Vermeer, and that just gives me a little pop. For lips, I'm using this pretty Vulgar color in the shade My Lips Are Sealed. I really love this. It's not shimmery, but it's more of a metallic, and it's absolutely stunning. I got this in a BoxyCharm, and I haven't been able to put it down. It's perfect for a date night. It just looks so good, and it matches the eyes so well. I love this color so much. I just think it's so pretty. And again, perfect for any kind of date night. I did my hair, surprise, that never happens, and I'm gonna set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, my favorite of all time. My makeup will not move with this. And then I'm gonna tussle my hair a little bit, try to look cuter than, you know, I am, and give myself a thumbs up because we're done. And this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is a perfect Valentine's Day look. It's glam, but it's soft glam, and it's a little pink. So if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what you're doing this Valentine's Day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.